I thought I'd explain what good looks like to me. So, the system that I operate is one where I'm spending much less time on the doing, on the now. I don't want to spend much time here in now. I want to spend my time in next, sure, making sure that what it is that we're going to do is refined and designed in the way that I actually want to see implemented. But even further upstream than that, I want to be spending my time making sure I'm making the right bets on the work that is the most potentially valuable to be doing in my system. And I want to be validating it afterwards. I want to validate the quality. I want to validate that it's doing what we'd said we were going to do up front. But more importantly, validate that the thing that we have produced is actually delivering the value that I'd assumed, so that I can then work upstream again in my process and make better bets. That isn't dissimilar from how we should be working in the real world, right? With normal teams. But to me, that working with agentic AI in a good system is spending less time on the doing work and more upstream and downstream.